Try to ask yourself a simple question. What is the greatest scientific achievement for human mankind from the past century? First man on the moon, 1969. That was pretty simple. Now try to ask the same question, apply it to the past decades, and I'm sure that you will come up with at least a couple of noble examples. Gravitational waves, Higgs boson, first picture of a black hole. But still, if I have to find an answer by myself, it would be for sure the synchronized landing of the 2 boosters from first successful launch of a Falcon Heavy, performed by SpaceX in 2018. Well, it was not the first attempt from SpaceX for recovering the stages, for sure, but still the picture sticks into my mind. It is the true driving force for my PhD. But before getting into details, let me introduce to you the Ascension project. 15 early-stage researchers spread all over Europe into universities, research centers, and industries. We are sharing results, publication, test campaigns, but most of all a common goal: try to make space and reusability more sustainable for the future generation of launchers. And here's where my PhD comes into place, still trying to answering a question. Are rockets as they were meant in the first place still the best optimized design for this new challenging scenario? And if no, what is the best optimized design? I will look for solutions for the rocket engine and more in details for the engine part, the nozzles. There are many different concepts studied in the past that right now are getting back into interest. Advanced rocket nozzles like Aerospike, dual bells, expansion deflection, all of them this time tailored to this new crazy challenging scenario. Just try to picture in your mind this rocket getting back on Earth at crazy velocities under extreme aerodynamic, thermal and structural loads, with the engine pushing in the opposite direction of motion, literally cutting the atmosphere and then softly landing on the launch pad. It's incredible, isn't it? And it's very hard to answer to, but still, I'm not alone. I'm still with my colleagues, still sharing results and the same goal. And here it is. We truly believe that space is not a privilege for few. It belongs to you, to mid and small companies, to the startups that are rising in the last years. So not just to space agencies or a bunch of millionaires that are earning their monies by selling fancy cars and the stuff that we have in our houses. And if space is the true ultimate frontier for human mankind, it should belong to all of us.